And now it's time for Cooking with Mr. Gee!
Hey, what's wrong, Mr. Gee? You don't seem yourself today. Oh, I see. You're feeling sad because you haven't been able to see all your friends in a while. Well, how about we make a nice salad today? All those vitamins will help your body feel a bit better. No? What about a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Or scrambled eggs? You like eggs? No? Not today, huh? Okay. I have an idea for something we could make that might cheer you up and uses one of the skills we learned about in episode 1. Do you remember when we used boiling water to make a hard-boiled egg? You do? Great! You know, you can make lots of different foods by boiling them in water, one of which is pasta. Pasta comes in all sorts of shapes and sizes, can come fresh or dried, and is enjoyed around the world in many different styles of cooking. But one type of pasta is practically perfect for brightening up almost anyone's day. Macaroni and cheese. Excellent. Let's get ready. There he is. All right. Do you remember what we need to boil water? That's right. We need a pot. A medium-sized pot will do. Good. Now, fill the pot with water. Place it on the stove and turn the burner on high. Remember to ask an adult for help if you're not sure how to use your stove. Now we can get our other ingredients ready while we wait for the water to boil. First we'll need a box of macaroni and cheese, some butter, and some milk or half and half. Good. We'll also need a spoon, a knife, a timer, a small measuring cup, and a strainer or colander. Do you remember what we need to protect our hands from the heat? That's right. Good memory. Now, open the box of macaroni and cheese. Do you see the packet in there? That's the cheese. It does not get boiled. That would be a mistake. Take it out of the box and set it aside for later. Good. Now, let's measure out our butter and milk. We need 4 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of butter. If you're having trouble figuring out how to measure a tablespoon of butter, don't worry. Most sticks of butter have the measurements right on the wrapper. See? Use a knife to cut down on the line marker for a tablespoon. Watch your fingers. Good. Our water is boiling. And it's time to add the macaroni pasta. Double check that you remove the cheese packet. Then dump the macaroni into the boiling water. Stir the pasta with a spoon. Careful not to splash. And set a timer for about 8 minutes. Some types of pasta have different cooking times, so check the box to make sure. After a few minutes, stir the pasta again so it doesn't stick together. When your timer goes off, turn the burner on your stove to low, and using the hot pads, take the pot to the sink. Now use the strainer to catch the pasta as you dump out the hot water. Be careful with this step and ask an adult for help. Now set aside the macaroni, put the pot back on the stove, and toss in the tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, turn off the burner and add the milk. Stir it with a spoon. Then add the cheese from the packet to the pot. Stir the cheese, milk, and butter together for about a minute to remove most of the clumps. Add the macaroni and stir it until the cheese sauce is mixed in well. And that's it. Macaroni and cheese is one of those comfort foods you can share with your friends and family. And to think, it all starts with a simple pot of water. And now that we're pros at boiling water, I wonder what else we can make with it.